In a good mood on. Yeah, I watch it, man. I wish you had a good meaning to you. Then you done lied so much. You done lied. How much I do this and do that to you.
I ain't said you did nothing to me. I just said
that's
what
all
I
you
wanted
ever
to
do. That's all you ever do. I got a scar to show.
I didn't say you did anything to me. I just said what I wanted to do to you.
I got a scar to show that what you do to me. You done said, but you done said to me, I get you locked up for no reason. You done said that type of shit. I called the police and tell them you did something to me type shit. Then you lie to your mama, you lie to everybody else.
I wish I could stab
but you lie to everybody. You don't tell them the whole truth. You don't tell them what you do. You leave your part out. But look at what you done have done to me. And I ain't did nothing but try to love you. I ain't did none of you. I'm talking about like from Tallahassee you done jumped on me. At some point you think me like a cat in the corner, they gonna goddamn react. Look at my scar. Look, I got 2 stab wounds in my chest. I got a cut on my throat right now, what you just did. For no reason. What behind my ear for no reason? For no reason. I mean, I'm sorry. Behind my neck.
Don't keep happening every time you drink.
Behind my neck, we ain't talking about that. This shit was happening in Tallahassee.
I'll never get no gun, cause I'm gonna be through.
Why?
I'm gonna be through.
Why? Because that's something that you got a problem with? That ain't got nothing to do with me. Look at behind my neck. Look at behind my neck right now. But you should have to be through.
I will be.
Why? I don't do nothing to deserve it though. I don't do nothing to make that shit happen. Behind my neck right now I got a fucking puncture behind my neck. Son, you did. And then turn around and apologize for it. Literally. Then you'll sit here and cry wolf and play fucking victim like I just do shit to you. Even just then trying to walk in the bathroom and say, baby, just take care of my wound.
No, you be grabbing on me too hard.
I grab your hand. I said, baby, let me hold your hand. That's what I did to grab on you. I grab your hand and walk you in the bathroom. Ain't nobody grab on you. I grab your hand and walk you in the bathroom. Pretty much saying, take care of my wound, baby. But you talking about grab you too hard. That's your scapegoat. You goddamn right. When I ain't wrong. When you hollering, hooping and hollering, don't do this, don't do that. And all I do, you don't do shit. I take care of your ass. You can't do shit. You won't be able to do nothing. I'ma leave. I told you last night, just a matter of time. I said that last night. I can't keep getting stabbed and shit. For nothing.
We can't just watch this go down. We gotta do something.
All you do is
block them. Give these motherfuckers a day
off. Do dumb shit. For no reason and make excuses. And cry to people. You cry to people. Oh, that nigga, oh yeah, he drunk. That nigga don't do shit to you. You do the shit.
Marcone Street?
All them places you talk about right here, all them places, long gone. They're all bricks and beans right now, but you still here, ain't you?
Went to jail. I went to jail on GP.
Yeah. Let them take the stables.
You damn right. Oh yeah, I went to jail on GP. Pretty much defending my damn self.
So did I.
No, you didn't. You did what you did, and them folk felt like you was the aggressor. That's the only reason they took your ass to jail.
How we gonna do that?
Shit, we gonna do what we always do.
And none of the facts.
Survive.
Ain't no flaw behind that shit. You did that shit. Then you won't sit and we together. You'll say, oh yeah, we together. I love you this and love you that. Man, you don't know what the fuck you want. You so wishy-washy. And I got the stab wounds and the other wounds of the goddamn show for it. You ain't got nail wound on you to show that nigga abusive. Hell no, that woman been abusive. Now that goddamn abusive, we wouldn't be goddamn 4 years in it. Fuck how much you talking about you love me. Not Keon. Keon don't love nobody that goddamn bad. Do it. You're right. So in 4 years, why you still with me? Convenient? Man, you sound stupid. Convenient. You're a nice-looking woman. You're a nice-looking woman. But what a man want a motherfucker mentally stable.
I ain't that.
That goddamn sure ain't. And that's facts. That shit been like that since you were 10 years old. Facts is facts. Got me acting like I'm goddamn mentally disturbed. That shit done rubbed off on me. Coolest nigga ever. Reacting like a goddamn lame nigga. Reacting across your energy.
Thank you. Thank you for bringing it to me.
But I thank you though. I ain't even gonna lie. Thank you for everything.
Come on now.
The cut on my neck right now, I thank you for it. Stabs in my chest.
Oh, baby.
My head done been bust. My lip just got bust the other night for no reason.
Look good, Mama.
I like you as a cowboy.
For no damn reason.
Oh yeah, he's riding now.
Yes.
Sad.
He got his own horse. I mean, he still got a lot to learn. He ain't no me. He ain't no old heart, man.
Sad, sad, sad.
Come on, man.
I watched that bit of mine. What name of them?
Hungry cowboy.
Yeah, I watched that bit of mine.
Oh, it's based on a true story. Remember Eric E. Miller? He must was a cowboy.
Even when we
Yeah,
ride
but you know,
around,
black men were
Where
cowboy.
the horses come from, boy?
Back in the day.
How did they get around here? These horses been here before me. You know what I'm saying? So it's like,
A real Fletcher Street rider.
when we tell this story, I want people to sit back and just look and see like this is really happening. And they do this, and people got good days and bad days. And that's like regular. That's like regular life. And this is life.
People have good days and bad days.
All the time who say to me like, what do you mean you ride horses? Like, where do you ride horses? There are no horses
Yeah, what?
in Philadelphia. And it's like, what are you talking about? There are horses all over Philadelphia. And like, yes, in North Philly,
Your
we
bad
ride
days.
horses. Like, we have horses, we take care of the horses.
My bad
and
days don't turn
I think
into
that
your
if
bad.
more people knew about it
Your bad
and
days,
knew
you turn them into my bad
how
days
important the
every
stable
time.
was to so many people, young people who don't have anywhere else to go.
I think I get
wanna
more
cut 'em
enjoyment
motherfucker.
out of watching the kids that I actually teach.
You
Watching
literally,
it kinda like
you one of them people that
them
literally are alive.
absorbing,
to
then
your
adapt,
grave.
and then make an adjustment. Not just with a horse, but just in life.
To keep a
itself.
lot going. If
The stable,
if
like,
ain't
it
right,
does,
ain't
it
right.
does a lot for us. Like, I mean, I
What
could
you
pretty
have
much
done
sit
to
here and
me
say
ain't
that
right.
I'm in my 40s right now. And I believe in my heart because of the stable, that's why I don't have a felony on my record. You know what I mean? Nothing like that. It just, it helps keep you on a straight path with the other guys down here, the older guys, you know, because they've been through everything that we're about to go through.
Mm-hmm. That's a good move, huh? Mm-hmm. The concrete, what are them? Concrete cowboy? Yeah, that's good, huh?
Hours, 51 minutes, almost 2 hours.
You don't mind you be so wrong.
I know, you done told me everything.
It still don't matter though. Like you would turn right around and apologize. I was wrong. I'm sorry. But it shouldn't happen like that. You had to grab no knife tonight. You had to grab my knife. You had to, because look at how you handle me. Do you not understand? Let me ask you this, Mom. Do you not understand what you do? I think you don't. But you think you literally you take it as a good thing. Your ignorance, you take it as it's awesome or something. Yes, you do. No, I don't. I ain't got shit figured. I'm steady trying to figure it out. Why I get handled like this? Treat you with the... You don't have to do nothing. Treat you with the utmost respect. I do everything. But I get handled the worst. And that's what sent me to the edge too. Like, damn, what the fuck am I doing all this shit for? When you stood down and your house, man, fuck, yeah, this your house, fuck this shit. Can't nothing about this no more. I walk away from this shit. I can do this, yeah, we know you can do that. Two is better though. Always better. But look how I get handled though. Look how you handle me today. Look how you handle me every other day. Because if I ask you a question, baby, where you at? Are you at mother? Why you ask? I ain't ask you where you at to try to keep a tab on you. Well, fuck about you. I can't control your pussy. Just like you can't control my dick. That ain't what I be asking questions about. I ask questions because I'm concerned. That's the difference. That's why I say you grown, but mentally you still a little girl.
I know. You tell me all the time, and I still don't give a fuck.
Listen, that's that little girl mentality. It's not about giving a fuck. It's about you got a motherfucker that care about you.
Please don't. I wish you would stop. Just forget you ever met me.
Okay. It's good enough. Good enough. That fun to let me know that you still a little girl. So you got a motherfucker that a man that gonna be there for you if you go out and have a blowout. Guess who's gonna come there and get that motherfucker right?
I have AAA.
Sorry. You're right.
But I tell you, straight and then to hear your bullshit, what you talking right now?
Are you serious?
I'm dead ass.
No, I'm your dude. I supposed to be your best friend. That's why I say you full of shit.
I am.
Yeah, like you full of shit with everybody.
I'm not.
They ain't talking shit. You my lady. That's why I talk to you every morning when you go to work. To make sure you get there. Do you not understand that? That's why I say you still a little girl. You got a man. You goddamn right.
All this shit you been talking for 4 hours?
I've been talking that shit because no, because you been talking that shit. You goddamn right because you talk that shit. You talk so much shit to me every day. Because I don't say what you want to hear. I don't answer your question the way you want me to answer. Because I don't do what you want me to do. That make me a little boy. That don't make me a man. Man, you got a lot of fucked up. I'ma give you a lot. You gotta give me something too. You don't understand that. That's why I say you just ready to just be yourself, man. Be by yourself or be with somebody that gonna listen. Yeah, that's good. That's what you need. That's what you need because ain't damn man walking the face of the earth.
In jail them 6 months by myself.
Who cares?
Showed
Okay.
me a wonderful time.
Okay, well, guess what? You gonna have a lot of time now.
I know that peace.
Right. But then, listen to what you said last night. You was in jail, I love the people, then I said, damn, you're missing them. Come on, man, you don't know what the fuck you going. You confused. You still a little girl. You are a little girl.
You could miss somebody.
You go to work 12 hours a day, but you mentally, you still a little girl. You don't want no man. Not no man. I know. It shows. Look at what I done went through. Look at what I done became. I became this shit because of you. I done went to jail because of you. My whole energy changed because of you. And you brag on it. You make it seem like it's cool. You make it seem like it's right. And you lie to people. You would tell a motherfucker, oh, Pussy doing this, but you won't say Kiana bust a man lip, Kiana did this, Kiana did that. You won't say that part though. You will leave that out. But that's fine though. Because like I say, the one thing about that goddamn truth is like rain. Truth like rain. That motherfucker's gonna hit everybody. What you doing? You got all these scars on me? Look at my chest. You done did. And I lied about it. Yeah. That's the fucked up part about it. Literally lie about it. I'm gonna call my mama, tell my mama to call the police. Call and tell her to call the police for what? What she gonna tell them? What you did? Oh, my daughter in damn danger, go get her. No, I'm the one in motherfucking danger. And you will sit here and lie along with it, and I fuck around and get 5 years in prison. You will take that lie and run with it. All the way to the goddamn grave. You and your mama. But you worry about my mama. My mama ain't gonna get in our bullshit. That's what I love about my mama. My mama ain't gonna get in our bullshit. You shouldn't. You shouldn't. You shouldn't because she's not. And I think that's a great thing. She ain't gonna get in our bullshit. She ain't gonna stay in our bullshit. That's what a real woman, a real mama gonna do. She gonna start her children bullshit.
합기도 3단 그리고 유도 2단 개인적으로 그 검도랑
Right now, I can't call my mama and say, Kim, my mama tell me quick. I don't want to hear that shit.
잡지만 아무리 겸손하게 잡아도 한 18단.
Get what you call your mama, get what your mama gonna do.
I should be tired.
Right. Who gives a fuck? Why you not tired then?
Okay. I can't put you out.
Yes, you can.
You got with
You ain't got to put me out.
You get mail here. I gotta evict you. I'd already been to the courthouse. They told me.
Right.
So it's a process.
You exactly right. You exactly right. I just asked you yesterday, baby, you want me here? Yeah, I want you here. I don't want you to go nowhere. All I do is do right. Only thing I do is do right. Motherfucker, you don't have to do nothing but go to work. You don't have to do nothing but go to work. You don't do shit. You go to work, come home, cry about your feet. I go to work, come home, go to another job. My feet be fucking hurt. I come in the bed, rub your feet, cook and everything. Come with another excuse. That bullshit. Motherfuckers will die for a nigga like me. Sorry ass motherfuckers sit here and talk that bullshit.
얘 진짜 멋지게 키워야 되거든요.